Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. Hope you will be fine. Today in this video I will talk about the word Allah, God and gosh. Mostly people are found to say, oh my gosh, oh my God. What is this nonsense, dears? We should not say gosh, oh my gosh. We should not say oh my God. We should say Allah. Oh my Allah. We can say Allah. Rather than the name gosh or God, we should say Allah. Because the Allah word is taught by Allah to the human being by their beloved prophets, Moses alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Jesus, Isa alayhi salam, by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So this is the name of the Creator, Allah. And the people changed. Why the people named Allah? How can they named Allah? Allah is big, very big for us. Allah is a creator. Allah have created all this world. Allah has created us. Allah is the creator of us and we are naming Him. How can we dare it? How can we dare it? We should say Allah instead of saying oh my gosh, oh my God. God is man-made and gosh is also man-made. This is the humiliation of the Allah. We should use the word Allah instead of God and gosh. Okay, keep it up. Always say Allah instead of gosh or God. Thank you.